everyone! Welcome to Color Our World of Art. Let's make a plane with a cardboard roll. These are the materials. First, flatten one end of the cardboard roll and put glue in that end to close it up. Press it together to close it. After it has dried, paint the roll blue using poster paint. To avoid getting your hands painted accidentally, you can hold the tube by putting your fingers in the open end to prop it open. Next, cut a popsicle stick in half for a plane propeller. Cut out a blue paper quadrant and fold about 1 cm of the straight edge over to paste it upright on the plane body. Take 2 more popsicle sticks, put some glue in the middle of each and paste them on the middle of the plane body, below and on top. Paste the previously cut sticks together in an X shape and then paste the bead in the middle to make a plane propeller. Paste the X on the flat end of the plane body. And you've got yourself a flyable cute plane! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Instagram for video updates, and see you soon.